pretty excited. Our PTZ camera controller, PTZ camera, coffee of course. PTZ camera is the HD38 model, SMTAV PTZ camera. I know it's not PTZ optics, but it's about half the cost. I'm hoping it's not half the quality or functionality. I heard a lot of good stuff about this camera combined with this controller, so I'm hoping that that is going to work out very well. I need to go over to the worship center and get that set up. Let's see if I can carry all this stuff. Bingo. So, not 100% sure. Let's see here. So I'm not 100% sure where we're gonna place this thing yet, but this guy is here. I'm gonna be getting rid of that GoPro, and then I'm thinking the PTZ. Hold on, right there somewhere. We already have an outlet in the ceiling for our Google repeater up here. I don't know, we'll see. We gotta find the best angle for stuff. Okay, this is the unboxing of the SMTAV HD38. Link will be in the description. I think I paid $650 or something. It's about half the cost of a PTZ optics. User manual. Thank you for your purchase. Letter, cardboard, cable, power adapter it looks like. Second piece to the power adapter, video cable. Got a remote, which I was told you probably would not use. A piece of foam, silica gel. Is there anything in this foam? Nope, just protection. Here it is, the camera itself. It's heavy, it's really heavy. Ooh, it looks pretty though. Here it is. Let me bring this over here. Okay, that's, like I said, SMTAV. It looks a little dull, but on here and here, there's the protective film. There is a lens cap. It's rubber. It's not a hard plastic cap. I don't know if that's a deal breaker for some of you, but it is a good dust cover. Although I don't know that I would be climbing up there every week to put it on. Front just shows a standby light and a power light. Oh, it's got a good rubberized, like, it's got these gel rubberized feet on the bottom. When you put it down on, it's pretty sturdy. Like, I feel like it wouldn't go anywhere if it were just mounted like right here. The PTZ camera, if you wanted, you really could put one right here. You know, I think having it up and over there and having this guy with this view would be better. Mainly because I need manual control from this. So on the back, let's see, we've got LAN connection, HDMI, 3G SDI, USB 2.0, and then your power adapter. You've got the RS-232s, your in and your out, and RS-485 also, and then some sort of system selection. You got up here a line in and CVBS as well, and then a power switch. So that, I'm assuming, will always stay on. I'm not planning on, like I said, jumping up there and turning it off every single week, because I don't know if it's good to leave it on all the time, all week, when it's not being used. And the outlet that we have up there, well, we basically have one here too, for our Google repeaters for our mesh network. the outlet up there is not something easily accessible. So we'll figure this out. I don't know what to do. Not yet, but I will soon. Ah, there it is. I've been missing this. One of the legs of my tripod, a cheap tripod that I had, started falling off. So I got some more stuff here. But I do have a Stream Deck that we're also going to be utilizing. These are just some cables and stuff that I need. And this is my mount for the PTZ camera. One thing I would mention is that when you order this camera, it comes in the Amazon box and you open it. And I guess I expected there to be a pretty, colorful package that it would come in with, maybe a picture of the camera on the outside. So I originally thought this was a box inside of another Amazon box. But really, as soon as you open this box, it's just all brown. It will say SMTAV on it. And if you cut this open, there is your user manual and a protective layer of cardboard in there, so you're not cutting any wires or cutting the actual camera itself. But just be aware that it's not a second box and then you've got the pretty box inside. This is the actual box that the camera comes in. But I was just thinking that up here on that little pillar or whatever right there, I might place the PTZ camera. Could be a good choice.